how to remove Made with Gamma watermark from PowerPoint presentation. Let's get started. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation tool that helps you create professional presentations in just a few minutes. However, if you're using the free version, your exported PowerPoint presentation may include a Made with Gamma watermark. First, create and export your presentation from Gamma as a PowerPoint file. Once the file is downloaded, open the Canva app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Tap Import File and select your exported Gamma PowerPoint presentation. Wait a few seconds for the presentation to finish uploading. Once it's uploaded, open the presentation and go to the slide that contains the Made with Gamma watermark. Tap on the watermark to select it, then simply tap Delete to remove it. Repeat the same process for any other slides that contain the watermark. After removing the watermark from all the slides, tap the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, choose either PowerPoint.ppx or PDF, and save the presentation to your device. And that's it. Your presentation is now clean and watermark-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.